Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to scan PayPal QR code. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, the first thing will be is just to open up your uh, application or the PayPal mobile app, and then you will need just to follow these steps. And basically, it depends on your PayPal version, and the more you have the latest version, the more it will be looking like this. So after open up your PayPal, you will be redirected to the home page or the home menu, and it will be showing as follow. And basically from here, you will be able to see the QR code from here. And whenever you click on the QR code, so basically your QR code will be generated or it will be appearing. So as you can see in the second step, you will find your QR code that will be appearing here. And now you can either start scanning others people code, or you can QR code, or you can get your QR code to be scanned. So from here, people can start scanning to your QR code and send money and get the profile, etc. If you want to download and let the QR code to be saved into your gallery, you will need just to click on this icon, and basically you will have your phone that will be uh, added to your gallery, and then you can send it to other people as an image, and you can send it to them so they can scan it, etc. And of course, you can also have your seller QR code by clicking here, and that's it. And as I said, it depends on the version of your application. So in older versions, you will be able to find the QR code to be here at the bottom. So within the scan and pay, when you click on it, you will be redirected to such page so you can be able to start using the QR code and scan it, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.